Hello folks, got an Audi here, 2021 A4. Gonna reset the oil life light. All right, let's see. Just turn on the button without starting the car, okay? Change oil. All right, we're gonna go to the screen over here in the middle. Of course, I'm not Peter, so I'm just gonna hit continue. Hit OK. Go into vehicle. Right over there, let's see, settings and service. Go into service intervals. Oil has been due for 600 miles, 13 days. I'm gonna hit reset. Are you sure you want to reset it? Sure. And it has been reset. There you go. So 10,000 miles is what it goes for, all right? The oil was pretty dark when it came out of this one, 10,000 miles, but that's what happens when it's a turbo, people. All right, let's shut it off. Let's start it up. And it should be out. Let's see, it says you have to get fuel. Passenger airbag is off. Lost the tire pressure. We're going to check that. All right, 40,000 miles. We'll see you at 50 for the next oil change. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.